Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall monday.com automations safely, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your monday.com account. Navigate to the workspace where the automations you wish to uninstall are located. Locate the board that contains the automations. Click on the Automations tab located at the top of the board. In the Automations menu, you will see a list of all the active automations. Identify the automation you want to uninstall. Hover over the specific automation to reveal additional options. Click on the Edit button to view its details. Review the settings and actions of the automation to confirm it's the correct one. If you are certain, look for the Delete option, usually represented by a trash can icon. Click on the Delete option. A confirmation window will appear, asking you to confirm the deletion. Read the warning to understand any implications of removing this automation. If you are sure you want to proceed, click Confirm or Delete. Once deleted, the automation will no longer trigger actions on your board. You can repeat this process for any other automations you wish to uninstall. After uninstalling, review your board to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If necessary, consider creating new automations to replace the ones deleted. Always make sure to save any changes you make during this process. Now you have successfully uninstalled automations from your monday.com board. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.